Who do you know that wants to be as good at business as you are at your trade? Could be you. It could be a friend, a builder, a plumber, electrician, a landscaper, a bricklayer. It doesn't really matter what type of trade. They could have been in business 2 years or they could have been in business for a couple of decades. You've all got challenges you actually need to fix. Here, this book will take you through the 12 steps to actually building your business. Read this in your own time. Grab it on Kindle, grab a hard copy. Whatever you do yourself a favour, grab the book. Go to Amazon now, search for the 12 steps to building your business, or search for Miles Primos. 100% of the profits after Amazon's taken their cut goes to the charity Save a Dog in Glen Iris. So not only will you be able to set up your business properly, or better, you'll be actually helping some four-legged friends get a better life. Go and build a better business and be as good at business as you are at your trade.